Today we're getting our bathrooms summer ready in 5 simple steps, so let's dive in. Diane Denmark here, rah rah rah. I'm a routines coach and I'm helping you this year to simplify and thrive. Today we are in the bathroom, we're getting summer ready, 5 simple steps. Number 1, we are going seasonal, and remember these tips, you can use them if you're in the southern hemisphere moving into winter. I have my big, thick, luxurious bathrobe in the winter, and in the summer I swap that over for my light cotton one. Do you have any seasonal scents that remind you of the tropics, of being on vacation? I've changed over my body lotion to a coconut one. This is one that I got at a swap party. And the essential oils that I use in the bathroom in the winter, I will use traditional things like eucalyptus, lavender, mint. And now it's summer, I've switched over to lemon, sweet orange, vanilla. Number 2, let's talk about all those travel sizes of toiletries that you might have. Are you going to use them? Personally, I don't buy travel sizes. I use these little pod things and then I just label them. That's hair wax. I can fill them up with whichever body wash or shampoo that I need. It's just a much cheaper way. Where do you have all your travel sizes, all your travel stuff? Is it easy to find? Oh, and quiz time, do you know what these are? These are my travel eyelash curlers. There you go. Woo! Moving on to number 3. Number 3 is your knickknacks, all your little decorative items. In the summer, I like to pare right back. I don't want things looking cluttered. And what I do like to do is to move things around in my house. I shop my house. I'm not buying new stuff. I'm just moving plants maybe from one area to the next. And when you're choosing your knickknacks, remember less is definitely more at this time of year. We want to create the summer vibes with that light, airy feeling. Number 4, we are going after our beauty tools, grooming tools. Now, I'm a winter bather, a competitive ice swimmer, so I do my legs, shave my legs underneath my arms every other day. But if you haven't done it for a while, you wanted to get your legs ready, some nice scrub on your feet, any kind of beauty jobs, or maybe you've got some products that have seen better days and really need to go out. Are there any supplies that you need? Maybe you use waxing products, dye your eyebrows, maybe you need a special conditioner for your hair when you're at the pool every day in the summer. Get them added to your errandy list, along with all the essentials, of course, like toilet paper, toothpaste. And number 5 is to do a quick clean of your bathroom, just a mini speed clean. I use the Flylady system, and if you want my body doubling videos, I'll put up a playlist for the bathroom. But really, it only takes a few minutes. Wipe down the outside of the bath and just a very quick vacuum and mop. And your bathroom is going to be summer ready. So a quick recap where we're talking about seasonal scents, seasonal items, organizing our travel stuff, knickknacks and decorations, summer grooming tools, and last but not least, a quick speed clean. 5 simple steps. Which one are you going to start with today? Let me know in a comment. As always, I appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, share my videos. If you're looking for more encouragement and inspiration, this is the place to find it on YouTube. I'm going to get back to my coaching clients. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the summer hygge bathroom be with you. And I'll see you very soon with a rah, rah, rah. Okay, bye for now.